Yo, it's D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT. Bruh, bruh, bruh. This has been an amazing month for music, for SA music. We just got three amazing EPs from three different amazing fucking artists. And I've been waiting for this one EP for so many years, bro. And we finally got it. We finally got an EP from Scam to Lewis called Scam for Nux. Scam, because he's not scared for nothing, man. He's not scared for nothing. That's why he dropped it, because he's not scared to drop a thing. Doesn't care if you guys are gonna not like it or whatever. He dropped it, and we fucking dropped it, and it was just bangers upon bangers. Luxford is on there, guys. So, I'm gonna leave the. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna leave the link in the description to all the bloody EPs that dropped this month. And I'm gonna mention now, so you guys can go check it out. But we got a EP from Scam to Lewis, guys. Just nah, that was legendary. That was legendary. We got one of Luxford coming soon, and Rizzo Real dropped his already. Um, and we got. I hope the Vision is gonna be dropping his own one and shit. But yeah, anyways, Jody Man also dropped his bloody EP called Kom Sterk. So every single song on each of these EPs that I'm going to mention, there is no skips. There is no skips at all. Not even not even 1 second of it, like, nah, it's getting close to the end now. We're gonna skip it. Nah, these are the type of tracks you're gonna play until the last second of the bloody EP. And then last of all, we got Engels Kans by San that just dropped yesterday, so everybody go stream that now. I see that he finally uploaded it onto Spotify as well, so go stream this shit. I'm gonna try and leave all the descriptions in this video's bio to all that shit, so you guys can go stream it and go listen to all the shit that I mentioned now. But yeah, that was just a little music update with D-Dog, D-Dog the GOAT.